remember on Blow Up with Jeff Beck is up there pounding on his guitar and he can't make it go, and he starts hitting the amp and puts great big scratches on it, and then he throws the guitar down on the ground and smashes it up, and he throws it out in the audience, and then the audience runs and tries to pick up the pieces of it and stuff. Anyway, you know what? This is like my very first and only and probably last brand new amplifier I ever had in my life. I bought this amplifier in 1988, my first summer with PTI, and it's always been a really swell amplifier. Maybe I blew the speaker on it once, you know, but I'm not so sure, you know. And I put a new speaker in it. At the Stockton flea market I found it, new speaker, put that in it, maybe that helped it. But anyway, for years and years, for 25 years, this amp was always like, this was always loose. This nut here was always loose, and it would work and it wouldn't work, and we'd do all kinds of goofy things like tie a rubber band around that to hold it up, you know, and tie it around there and stretch the cord in there so it wouldn't wiggle and stuff. I mean, I said, well, that should be all right, you know. Anyway, of all the stupid things, today I took the board out of it and I said, well, I'm going to go online, I'm going to get a new transducer here for this phone jack, and I couldn't really get it out of there because you have to take the motherboard up out of there, and this switch here and the transducer are like one unit. So I said, well, and I wiggled it from in here and it was all loose, and I said, what the hell? So I oiled it all up with WD-40, and I took this pair of pliers here and I just tightened that up a little bit, and I took all the knobs off and I tightened up all the nuts with a pair of pliers, and now it's like a brand new amp. Let's see. Doesn't do that anymore. No more scratching noise. And like for 25 years I lived with it like that. I've had this amplifier now for 32 years and it still works like brand new. Not getting older, it's getting better anyway. Hey, I'm happy today. Bye now.